Alright, here we come to the elevators at Burnett Transit Center Metro Rail Station in Houston, Texas. These are ThyssenKrupp with CJ Anderson fixtures from 2013. And it is a beautiful clear blue sky outside to get another good video of these elevators. 2. And look at that, they actually installed additional more elevators here. There goes a Metro Rail. 1. The other elevator car is unfortunately broken. Yeah, see, this elevator car is broken. While I'm letting that passenger take that elevator car, see, these are the new elevators right here. See, and there is an intermodal freight train, which that's got to be CPKC I-18. Anyways, see, look. They just installed some new elevators here, and which, once they are both in service, you can literally see a great view of downtown Houston way over there. But unfortunately, as you can see, they don't work. I don't know what brand this is. See, look. They have not even installed an elevator car on that side yet. See, look. There isn't even an elevator car. I don't think, yeah. I checked on both floors. There definitely is not a single elevator car here, so as you can see, they just installed an elevator car here, but not on this side. Anyways, I'm going to let you watch this thing go up. Yeah, sorry about that. We just got interrupted during the ride. There it goes. All right, now let's call it. I just don't ever get why only one elevator car works and both of them are not. Each time I come to the station, like this elevator car works, and then other times this elevator car works, this one's broken, or this one works and that one is broken like it is now. I've been seeing this all like for the past several times. All right, and here it comes down. No wonder this thing's getting this busy. It should not be busy on this quiet day like this. CJ Anderson. All right, this time I'm gonna show the cab just right now because this thing's gonna get insanely busy. Lots and lots of people coming on. I'll watch the number this time. Unfortunately, you can't hear the motor. The window is kind of a bit dirty, so I don't know how well I'm able to get a good view, but I'm doing the best detailed take while I can. Those are the new elevator cars over there. I'm gonna look out the view in 4K mode. Out this way. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, you can press the button. Such a lovely day outside. And I might look out the back view in 4K mode as well. All right, here we go. That's the line for the Metro Rail you see on your left side. And after that, we're going to go back upstairs and end the video because somebody is coming on. I'm going to see the view of the elevator shaft right there, but we're not going to hold the elevator for too long. All right, here's a detailed cab view. Big Brother's watching. These are your CJ Anderson fixtures. There you go. Yeah, that elevator car is broken. See, look at this. This elevator car is always broken each time. And so you can see, these are the new elevator cars that were installed. Still being installed, as you can see. I wonder how we can get a good view. If that out of order Metro Rail is not in the way, we could have gotten an amazing better view of the whole entire downtown Houston skyline. Yeah, as you can see right here, there's not even an elevator car. See, this elevator car on the right has already been installed, but they have yet to install this elevator car on the left, which is going to take a lot of process, which is why it's not in service yet. I didn't see this the last time. You know what? I think I might go for one more ride on this, because I want to show you the car top. Let's trip over that cone. Figured it'd be a beautiful clear blue sky to get another video of these elevators here. See if we can get a better view of the car top station. This elevator moves so fast I could barely even catch up. Here's Big Brother. These are your fixtures, CJ Anderson. And we will go back up to 2. I think they probably installed those elevator cars because this elevator car only one elevator car out of the 2 works. They're like there are times where this elevator car would be down and this elevator car works, or this elevator car is down like it is now, and this one works like you see right here. This is something I've literally seen like almost every time I come here. Like I just don't know. There's something is definitely wrong with this elevator service. And that might be the reason why they installed those additional elevator cars over there. And you can see, as you can see, there's like literally no elevator car installed on the left side. I mean, this would be an amazing view. And here's the view of downtown Houston. All right, here's this elevator car right here. Yeah, I had to get off because someone was getting on, and I did not want to be in their way. Up lantern is dead. Up to 2 went in there. Got a good detailed view out the window despite how dirty the glass is. All right, I think people are going to be coming on this thing constantly, so we're going to go ahead and end it from here.
Oh no, we did! We did! Yes, we did! Hey, I wish we came back 3 times. 3 times. You did not find you at home. We came back 3 times.
Yeah, lots and lots of people are coming on this thing. See, I just literally saw the ThyssenKrupp plaque right there. The ThyssenKrupp elevator steel plaque that is bent. I just saw it. Sorry I couldn't get a view, but I'm going to try to pause it for you to get a better look of it. See? Like I said, once this elevator car is put into service, which is probably not going to be another long while, if this broken down metro train is not in the way, we could likely get a great view of downtown Houston from this side right here. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll get a good view of the downtown Houston skyline from the Burnett Transit Center station. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful view of the downtown Houston skyline right there. See? You got an amazing view. And here's a perspective angle of both elevator cars right here. Right there. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little detailed video on this beautiful clear blue sky that I perfectly found a perfect chance to do so. And it looks like this train right here is broken down, which is why it's sitting here. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that is going to be it.